Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on GMT. So as always, our key level criteria is to look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So as we can see here on the chart, there's not a lot of data that we can base our key levels off. So what we're going to do is just work with what we got. So the first thing that we can see is a swing high. So let's plot that there on the monthly. Now there's really nothing else on the monthly chart, so we're going to drop down to the weekly and see what we can find. We notice where price is sitting at right now is a key weekly level of support based off this long wick over here and the candle body close. So we draw in a zone, and what we notice is that price is in this zone right now, and we are seeing a bit of a reaction with the long wicks sticking out inverse to the way of the trend. The next level that we can plot is a key resistance level. Now, if price decides to start moving back up, we know that this level, there will be a reaction, or there is a high probability of a reaction occurring at this level because we have seen multiple wicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks of wicks getting rejected from this area, which on our key criteria, multiple rejections from our area, making this very key. So there's not much else that we can plot on this chart other than we may have a little bit of an area here, but there's not enough data to really confirm that this level is a key level. We do have some wicks rejecting this level before breaking through and coming back down. We do have a wick that actually held this level. So actually, let's go to the daily and see what we can find. So if we can notice, we did see price react to this level, and once we seen a bullish momentum break, there was a little bit more to be gained. And as price came back down, we seen a reaction to the same level before price broke through, sending price all the way back down to our key level of support. If you got some value from this video today, I'd appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.